Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. Wanted to show you guys a something I got from Amazon. This is pretty cool. It's so I was looking for some really nice wire. I wanted to use some nice wire for my Grom and actually for other projects and stuff. So I came upon this this wire roll set by a company called, it looks like tuofeng. And what's awesome about this wire is that it actually has, you look down in here, there's like holes in the back of the box. You see this? This is where you can like just take it and pull it, and you can just pull all the wires out from inside the box. So you can kind of, you know, have it here and it'll feed right out. But the part that I wanted to show you was, like, I've never seen wire that, look at this, it's got like a zipped tie thing around it. Like, you can use this for cable management or whatever, but I mean, look at this silicone wire. It's really nice. This is 20 gauge silicone wire, but the coolest part was this whole this thing to hold the kind of the wire in place. And I don't know, I've never seen that before, but it's definitely like a nice touch, and it keeps the, you know, the wire all nice. If you use it, you can just wrap it back up, and so you get yellow, blue, right, red, white, right, green, and black. And this was only like 15 bucks or 20 bucks or whatever. It was actually really cheap. But you can see that gives you all this nice little, you know, rolls of wire, and like I said, you can pop them out here. But I just wanted to share with you guys, like, if you're looking for some wire, this is pretty nice. I guess what I'll do is I'll leave the link for this in the description. So, all right, everybody, this is a quick video. I'll talk to you. Easy.